Okay, so last week the homework is simple, right? Just MC, but there are three levels of difficulties in the MC, so I will explain it one by one to you, so don't worry. So for the first one, which of the following statements about the process of water cycle in a drainage basin is correct? So let's see. Number one, transpiration dries the whole basin, a whole basin water cycle. Of course not. Okay, because all the elements in the water cycle are important and are the drivers. Number two, an increase in interception reduce evaporations. So it doesn't. It actually didn't is not the same because if there are more interception, it should be more evaporation, right？因為啲樹你 trap 咗多啲水，咁其實你應該就會多啲 transpiration 翻上去啦，咁所以唔啱嘅。Number three, an increase in transpiration reduce the condensation. So increase of the transpiration, more water vapor should be more condensation. So this one is wrong. So the answer should be D. Okay, let me write it down. Oh, sorry. Should be the text. So number one, D. Capital letter D. So an increase in the infiltration. Okay, put it here. An increase in the infiltration will lead to more subsurface runoff. 啱啦，即係因為多啲水滲咗落去個 soil layer 或者 rock layer 個唔係係啦 soil layer water table 嗰個 layers 啦，咁所以就 more subsurface runoff. That is the definition. So number two, which of the follow? Oh no, sorry. Infiltration is faster on slope with infiltration on slope 咁which one is right 啦？咁 infiltration 就落去嗰個嘅即係 second layer 啦，我哋叫做 water table 或者 soil 嗰層啦。咁 if there are saturated soil, it couldn't be faster, right? Because there are no space for them. So number one is wrong. Number one is wrong, then the answer should be C. Very quickly, this one. C. So, but I also explain why. For the large soil grains, so that means there are more space. 因為啲 soil 係大粒啲咧，咁佢 soil 與 soil 中間就會多啲罅啦。And the gentle gradient provide more time. So more space, more space, and then more time for this one. More time. So gentle slope provide more time for the water to seep down, to infiltrate down. So the answer should be C, 2 and 3. Okay, number 3. Which of the following drainage patterns is commonly found on the volcano? So volcano, you can imagine, is kind of a hill, right? So flows down from a hilltop. It is A. In a radial drainage pattern, 即係由一個 point 流落去，流翻出去四方八面啦。So this one you can refer to your book, page 11. So page 11 tells you that different drainage patterns. Okay, very hard to move. So this is A. And it's on page 11 for this question. Okay, so very simple. Number 1, 2, and 3. So let's move to advanced level. Question 19. Question 19. How does the deforestation affect the water cycle? So deforestation here means less vegetation, right? So less vegetation. For first one, the transpiration, of course, will decrease. This is wrong because less trees or vegetations. Okay, so less transpiration. So number 1 is of course wrong. Oh, and by the way, this you can refer back to page 5, the diagram. Questions, page 5. So let's see whether if number 1 is wrong, then A and C is wrong, and B and D, okay, either one. So let's see. Okay, 3 is of course correct from elimination. So let's see number 2 is right or wrong. Interception will decrease. It's right because there are less trees, so less interception. And the overland flow will increase. This is correct because less tree, so the water will directly, the rain will fall on the ground and overland flow will increase. So the answer for this one should be, okay, number 19 is D. D for dog. D. Okay, number 20. This one is a little bit trouble, I would say, little bit complicated to think. So which of the following description about the drainage basin is or are correct? So it has a trellis drainage pattern. Of course, this is not. Okay, if you refer back to your book, page 11, this is actually the dendritic drainage pattern. So this is wrong. Number 1 is not correct. Number 2, it is a 4th order drainage basin. So you need to draw. So for your information, I have draw here. So I won't upload this picture to you. So if you need it, please keep it. Okay. So here you can count 1, 1, and 2, 1, 1, and 2. And then here, this is the first order, 1, and then because this is 2, 1, 2, and this will be 2. So 2 and 2, here is 3. Okay, this is 1 and 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 2. 3 and 2 is 3. So this here, 1 to 1 to become 2, 1 meets 1 becomes 2, 2 meets 2 becomes 3, 3 meets 3 becomes 4. Okay, so this is right. This is a 4th order drainage basin. And there are 4 confluences in the drainage basin. So confluence means when 2 streams or tributaries join together. So from here you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. There should be 11 confluences in the drainage basin. So number 3 is wrong. That's why the answer should be B. B for this question. Okay, and number 21. 21 and 22 is actually something related to chapter 2.2. Okay, so if you did it wrong or you don't know how to do it, that is no problem. So here I put it here as pre-study for the chapter 2.2. So no worries. So here I will explain it for you. Which of the following factors affect the speed of the flow of the river? And the length of the water perimeter. Water perimeter means 濕周，即係濕咗，即係河嘅一個周界，濕咗嘅周界啦。咁呢個你 refer to page 18啦，你就可以睇到 further 嘅 definition。咁我稍後嘅 video 都會教到呢個 concept 嘅。咁 page 18咧，咁總之佢呢個有 long， 即係 length of 個 water perimeter 咧，如果佢係longer 咧，佢就會有 larger friction 嘅，咁就會 affect 到咧個 speed of water 啦。咁 larger friction 自然就會 slow down 嗰個 river flow 啦。咁所以第一個咧就係關事嘅 ，OK 關事嘅。And second, the amount of load that the river carries, of course it did, because more load it carries, it will flow slower. And the strictness, okay, if a stricter river channel, just like the road for the cars to drive. If it is strict road, you can drive really fast, but if it is incurved, so it will slow down your speed. So number 1, 2, 3 are correct. So here the answer should be, sorry. Okay, let's do it again. The answer should be D. Okay, put it here. And refer to figure 10. So you can see why here is the volume of the channel flow. 即係一條河入邊嗰個有幾多水嘅容量啦。Well, X stands for what? So let's see. So it means they're in a negative relationship, okay? So more channel water will lead to smaller X. So let's see which one is correct. More channel water, is it smaller energy of river? No. More water, is it smaller density of the rainfall? No, because more rainfall will lead to greater volume of the water, right? More tributaries will lead to more channel flow means there are more tributaries. No. Means less tributary. No, because it should be more. Okay, positive. These three should be in a positive relationship. While for last one, the amount of infiltration. Okay, infiltration. More water in the channel means less infiltration to the subsurface, to the soil. Okay, that is right. So the answer again is D again. 因為咧呢度係講緊河流入邊嘅水啊，咁河流入邊嘅水如果係越多呢，佢個 energy 應該都係越多啦，應該係越多雨量越多河流水，越多支流河流水越多嘅。咁唯一一個呢，就係河流嘅水越多嘅意思，即係話 infiltration 下滲越少，河流嘅水先會越多啦。咁第22題呢，就應該係 D for dog. So here comes to the most challenging questions for the last two questions, number 54 and number 55. So number 54 is actually encounter some map reading skills as well as some knowledge on chapter 2.3. So if you don't know how to do it, it's fine. I will first explain it here first, and then when you are studying the 2.3, I have filmed the video and you will know the concepts, and you can refer back to this video if needed. Alright. So for which of the following statement about the drainage basins are correct? There are no interlocking spur. So this you can refer to page 37 to 38. So interlocking spurs, you can see here. Basically on the map reading, by the map reading skills, there are no spur on this encountered by the river. So number 1 is wrong. No. Number 1 is correct because it said no interlocking spur. So number 1 is correct. And number 2, the gradient of river set is steeper than 1 and 2. So the river set here, you need to calculate the gradient. How to calculate the gradient? So I will attach you the PowerPoint as a reminder for you to do the calculation for the gradient about the map reading skills. So how do we do a gradient, especially on the map? So usually how we calculate the gradient is use the vertical distance divided by the horizontal distance. 即係呢個直，呢個橫啦。So on the map, okay, so it's 1/5 means 1 in 5. Always the first one you should change it to 1. And on the map 喺個地圖咁，我點樣揾呢？咁通常你有一個 contour map 嘅，咁呢一度你都見到呢，佢其實都有 contour map 俾你啦。咁你要揾個 vertical distance 喎。vertical distance 點樣揾呢？嗱，你要知道啦，呢度係高100米，呢度係高40米。咁佢嘅即係佢打直線嘅距，即係佢嘅高度距離應該係幾多呢？就100減40啦，就60米啦。OK， 咁你揾到佢高度嘅距離，咁佢嘅直線距離係幾多呢？咁你就揾條線楞住連起。原來呢度係6 cm， 乘翻個 map scale 係60每 cm， 咁呢度就應該係300 cm 啦。咁你而家就有直嘅距離 vertical 同 horizontal 打橫嘅距離啦。咁直距離60，打橫嘅距離係300。咁我要上面呢個變1，咁60除60，下低就300除60，咁我變咗1/5，咁就叫做1 in 5啦。OK， 咁所以呢一個 slope 呢，佢嘅 gradient 呢就係1 in 5。咁所以呢度你同樣地，你都可以用呢度 around， 應該呢度係300、200，即係 around 250啦。200呢度應該係0嘅，250米呢，就係佢嘅 vertical distance 啦。咁嘅 horizontal distance 你就要度翻呢一條河流。係啦，或者你可以 度翻呢一條河流嘅嘅長度啦，或者可能簡單啲，你將呢度度過嚟呢度睇下佢個直線距離大概有幾多，咁啊 roughly 計翻嗰個嘅 gradient 出嚟啦。咁咧，但係呢度呢個答案計出嚟就唔係嘅。咁第二呢個可以話俾你聽就唔啱。咁你自己都可以嘗試下計啦。咁計唔到都唔緊要啦，因為呢個都比較係深嘅問題啦。咁喺 DSE 你都係如果計唔到最後你都係撞咗佢啦。我建議你。Okay, number 3. The rock in the drainage basin have perpendicular joints. 咁呢度係冇，你都冇見到個 perpendicular joints 啦。咁所以呢個就唔啱。So the answer here should be A. Okay, only A, one only 啦。Last questions. Which of the following are the characteristics of the drainage basin water cycle is in hot and dry air？ 咁呢度有啲難度嘅喎，因為佢係喺好熱同埋好乾嘅地方啦。咁究竟佢有啲咩 characteristics 咧？咁我哋望下啦。The interception storage is almost absent。interception 即係樹上面 store 嗰啲水啦。咁可能都啱嘅，因為佢冇太多嘅雨分啊嘛，即係好 wet 啦。sorry， 好 dry 啦。咁佢嘅 vegetation 可能已經將有嘅水係吸收咗啦。咁所以一係啱嘅。Okay, first one is correct. And number 2, the supply of channel water depends mainly on groundwater flow。係啦，咁佢因為喺咁乾同埋咁 dry 嘅 area 呢，其實佢嘅 groundwater flow 呢係最低啊嘛。咁佢可能係未必上面，其實你上面已經好少水啦，即係 I mean 個 overland flow 好少水啦。咁你個 infiltration 落嗰個 subsurface runoff 咪更加少咯，所以個 through flow 同埋呢個 groundwater flow 就會好少啦。咁所以一定唔會係 depends on mainly on 佢啦。咁 number 2呢就唔啱。OK， 咁如果 number 2唔啱，其實 by eliminations 呢個答案已經出咗嚟啦，就係 B 1同3啦。咁點樣解釋埋3呢？ The surface storage appears only for a short period of time after a rainfall。咁如果有 rainfall 呢，佢應該就唔會係一個 short period of time 啦。嗰個surface storage 係啦。咁因為我 rainfall 佢會提唔係 yes 嘅，因為有 rainfall， 因為佢呢個係一個 hot and dry area 啊嘛。咁所以呢，如果係佢個 surface storage， 即係可能喺 river 啊、喺樹啊、喺 land 啊，本身好乾啊，唔係好多水嘅時候呢，咁如果有 rainfall， 佢可能都會有短暫嘅時間係有水嘅。咁因為佢整個 climate 都係比較 hot 同比較 dry 啦，咁可能過咗嗰陣嘅雨嘅之後呢，佢嘅 rainwater 嘅 storage 啦，或者 surface storage 咧又會少咗啦。咁所以淨係即係曇花一現 after 個 rainfall 咧，只會有 short period 嘅。咁所以都係啱嘅，第3正確。所以 the answer should be 1 and 3 B。OK，so 呢一個呢，其實都係有啲困難嘅後面嗰啲，咁但係 DSE 又唔會，應該就唔會問到咁深嘅。咁但係呢個都係 for 你一啲多少少嘅 information 啦。係啦，咁如果有問題，你都可以圈翻啲問題啦，咁就之後可以再問翻我啦。OK，so thank you。